The Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop features customizable keyboard lighting that allows you to personalize the look of your setup. Through Asus's built-in control software, you can adjust the color, brightness, and lighting effects of the keyboard to match your gaming environment or personal style. These settings are typically managed through the Armory Crate application, which gives you control over RGB lighting patterns, static colors, and dynamic effects. Once configured, your chosen lighting setup will remain active every time you power on the laptop to try these. Step 1. Open the Armory Crate software installed on your Asus TUF A15 laptop. Step 2. Navigate to the device or lighting section within the application. Step 3. Select the keyboard lighting option to view available color effects. Step 4. Choose your preferred color or lighting pattern, such as static, breathing, or color cycle. Step 5. Apply the changes and adjust brightness or speed settings to finalize your custom keyboard lighting.